New video, new developments now in yet another fraternity hazing death, this time in New York's Baruch College, where 4 members have pled guilty to voluntary manslaughter after a pledge died during a hazing ritual. ABC's Gio Benitez is outside the college with the story. Good morning, Gio.
George, good morning to you. The students from this campus rented a home in the Poconos for this pledge party. That's when everything went downhill, and this morning we have guilty pleas. Overnight, 4 former Pi Delta Psi fraternity brothers from Baruch College pleading guilty for their roles in the hazing death of 19-year-old Chun Deng.
He needed emergency attention, and they delayed for several hours.
Authorities say in December 2013, Deng participated in a hazing ritual called the glass ceiling, where pledges run across a frozen field blindfolded and wearing a 30-pound backpack while fraternity members shove and take the pledges down. Police say the hazing was harder on Deng than anyone else, calling the event brutal, saying that after he was speared during a tackle, he complained about his head hurting before he was eventually knocked out. Police say the students waited more than an hour before driving him to the hospital 45 minutes away. But in that time, authorities say they did make one phone call to the National Fraternity president, who told the brothers to hide all fraternity items. Police say that during that time, some members changed Deng's clothing and conducted internet searches for phrases like concussion, can't wake up, and pupils don't dilate. Deng's official cause of death? Multiple traumatic injuries. The forensic pathologist assigned to this case says the delay in treatment significantly contributed to the death.
This was not an intentional act. This is a tragedy for all concerned.
And these former students will now likely face 2 to 3 years in prison, but a judge could sentence them to up to 27 years in prison, George.
Okay, Gio, thanks.